Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, if you guys would please smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys could leave a comment down below, even better. It super helps the channel out. I cannot stress that enough. I know I say it in every video, but I really want you guys just to click that like button. It's that simple. Anyways, it's Thursday morning. We're back in the shop. It's bright and early. Actually, it's not even bright yet. It's very dark. Actually, every time I get here, it is dark. I get very early starts during the day, and I put in a full day. Anyways, Thursday, here is the truck we are detailing. This truck was used for construction and was in very, very rough shape. It is very extremely dirty. We did do a full pressure wash inside and out yesterday. We used the Chemical Guys foam cannon. We gave it a complete foam cannon wash. We degreased wheels, tires, wheel wells, all that good stuff. We pressure washed the door jambs. And we started cleaning the inside. Now the inside's pretty much clean. I do have one more step to do to kind of like take care of that last like little dirty look on the floor, because this does have a vinyl floor, and I mean, it was completely filthy. It was like an inch of just pure filthy dirt. I mean, every square inch of this vehicle was dirty. It had a rack on it for lumber and ladders. You can see all the scuffs from probably leaning up against the truck, leaning in. So lots of scuffs on the bed. Obviously, we're not going to be able to be able to fix all these little white deep scratches, but I'm hoping to get rid of a lot of these light scratches and get the chrome polished up, get the tires dressed. Wheels are clean. We've already just all we're trying to do with this is he's taking it to Utah, and he's going to be trading it in for a newer truck. Now, as you can see, it does have a vinyl floor and it still looks really dirty. Believe it or not, that's been cleaned 3 times. But what I was really focusing on was getting the seats very clean, the dash clean. We do have like an interior shine product that will help make this look good, and as well as we have a product for the floor that will make that look nice and black again for a good presentation. But overall, we got most of the dirt out. We got the jams cleaned. This was one that I told the customer I cannot promise perfect because of the condition and just the amount of time that it would take to actually get it here. Now, I didn't start pressure washing until about noon yesterday, so basically I'm putting in a day and a half's worth of work, and by the time I'm done today buffing and polishing this vehicle, it's gonna look really good. You probably won't even be able to tell that it was ever really used for construction or work. So like I said, we're just getting it to the point where it's more than acceptable for a trade-in. We don't want the dealership to take a look at it and go, oh, that's a piece of crap. So anyways, that's what he's paying for. Wheels, tires look good. Wheel wells look pretty clean. And of course, we will be dressing them up and doing a full wool pad and foam pad polish and a wax, ceramic wax on this vehicle. Clean windows inside and out. We still have an interior shine. Dress the tires and the wheel wells, and get this thing good to go. And if I have any other extra time at the end of the day before he picks up, I'll definitely take some touch-up paint, and I'll go ahead and touch up a couple edges that I see that you can see there that are bare metal. So I think he's gonna be more than happy. He's a cool dude. Just wants to trade it in and just couldn't take it all dirty like that. I'm not sure when this happened, but I wish he would have let me know. I would have had a tail light here and ready to go for him. But I think I'm going to try to take some glue and try to at least glue this so this lens doesn't pop off in the meantime. So there you have it. You can see big gouges. I think I'm going to try to take some touch-up paint and just touch those up. That way from 10 feet away, you cannot see the scratches. But mostly what we're looking for is to get rid of these light, hazy scuffs and scratches. A lot of the deeper ones won't be able to be completely taken out, but we can do a paint touch-up at the end of the day. So, and with that being said, we did do some pressure washing underneath on the rear axle, the suspension, the brakes, the hitch receiver, and all that good stuff too. The bed was full of nails, screws, hay, dirt, mud, rocks, you name it. We got most of that out. It still looks a little dirty, but you know, it is what it is, just a truck bed. So inside the spray booth, nothing's changed except for I did have a few minutes yesterday morning. I got the emblem ready when I was sitting at my desk waiting for the video to upload, and we installed the Ford badge on the 2016 Ford Fiesta. Now we're still going to be running this through detail after the seat belt retractor and the driver's side airbags installed. We still got to run it through detail, finish installing the wheel liners, and install the door handle, wet sand it, machine polish, buff, you name it, and get that thing looking fresh. That way it can be picked up. But this wasn't really technically on the schedule. It's just been kind of like I knocked most of it out last week. Mikey assembled it on Tuesday, and as of right now, I still have a couple jobs that I have to finish up before I can get back to it. But I'm hoping that tomorrow on Friday, I have a little time to at least go back to it and finish installing the wheel liners and at least start on some of the wet sanding. And then on Monday, I'll finish a little more of the color sanding. And maybe I'll have some time to buff. But I'm also going to be working on getting this tailgate body worked between Friday and Monday. And I'd like to hopefully by Monday have it in high build. So between this, tomorrow, and the Ford Fiesta, I'm going to be jumping back and forth as much as I need to get this to where it needs to be before we can paint. We also ordered a 2012 Toyota Camry rear bumper. We're going to be getting a bumper, refinishing it. I also got an estimate on a Infiniti QX60 that guy backed into something, and his rear hatch has a big dent in it, as well as his rear bumper, and a couple of the retainers are probably broken or bent. So we're going to go ahead and run an estimate this morning for him. I'm positive he's going to want to proceed forward with the job, so we'll get a price on the parts, build an estimate, send it over to him. He'll review it and either give us a go or a no on proceeding forward. Also, kind of good news, and I'm kind of excited for, guys, is the Fast and Furious Jetta tribute car. I ordered a timing belt kit, so I have a timing belt, water pump, valve cover gasket, tensioner. Looks like there's some other gaskets here as well. You know, the good stuff. But anyways, I got that in there, guys. We also have the clutch disc. I went with a Clutch Max Pro clutch set. Fairly inexpensive clutch set, but I read pretty good reviews about it, so I'm not too worried. The car isn't really going to be driven much. Honestly, like I said, I don't really have any plans to drive the car after it is made into the Fast and Furious tribute, except for you know, just in and out of the shop, and maybe we'll take it for a photo shoot. And but the important thing is making sure that, you know, all the maintenance is done. We're going to fix all the leaks, new clutch, full tune-up, timing belt, water pump, all that good stuff. We're going to do all the brakes, you know, make it to the point where when we sell it, it is a good, reliable vehicle, and someone will be very happy with it because someone else is probably going to be driving it. Also, here is the flywheel set. A little bit of a different kind of setup here, as you can see. So we got the pressure plate inside here, and there's the flywheel. So we got the clutch pressure plate set there. We have the clutch disc there from Pro Max. And then we also have our timing belt and water pump set. So, super pumped. Get excited, guys. I'm excited to get that Jetta in here. I just don't know exactly what day it is going to come in. I figured if I have to, we can bring it in for the maintenance and the mechanical end of things, but I still haven't ordered the body kit yet. So as soon as I order that, the vehicle will definitely be coming in. It'll be getting on the schedule. I'm actually getting ready to pull down the Type R Tribute, front bumper, rear bumper, mirrors, door handles, lip, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna get started on getting those stripped down so we can get those prepped for paint and get them back on the Type R Tribute and get it ready for hopefully a photo shoot at some point this spring. So those at some point, probably next week, got to come down and get on the schedule. we are behind on a couple things, so we have a few jobs we need to finish up and get out of here. So yeah, get excited, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate all the views, the likes that I'm getting, each and every comment. If you guys got any questions, leave the questions below. If you guys want to see more of something, leave leave it below. I enjoy the feedback. This channel's for you guys, not me. I can't wait to show you guys more how-to and DIY stuff as far as paint and body, auto repair, little tips and tricks, things like that. So yeah, get excited, like this video, leave a comment below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron, though, or like Lonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do.